Hey, I'm Will. I'm a product manager at Civis Analytics.
And I'm Salo. I'm an engineering manager here.
So at Civis, we help the world's most sophisticated organizations understand and activate their audiences with data science. And whether the ultimate goal is getting a supporter to vote or a member to donate, we obsess over how to understand and motivate the people that matter most to our clients' missions. But data about people are vast, messy, and siloed. The average user of the Civis platform works with about 8 different databases or pieces of software that use person-level data, including voter files, CRMs, donor management systems, digital marketing platforms, often representing tens of millions of Americans, if not hundreds. And what we saw repeatedly is that these different systems rarely talk to each other or easily integrate. This presents a huge problem for effective analysis and targeting, because people can't make decisions with a complete picture of their customers, constituents, or citizens if there's no way to join that information together. For example, if users have someone's political affiliation in a voter data system and their engagement history in a CRM, they would need some sort of constituent ID to link those two pieces of data together to effectively tailor communications. And organizations almost never have a common universal identifier. Analysts spend hundreds of hours a year building and maintaining complex technical joining pipelines with varying levels of success. And we built IDR to solve these issues. IDR is a comprehensive solution to unifying person-level data and resolving identities across channels to provide a stable, universal ID to every person in your systems, no matter how many duplicates or data sources you may have.
The first part of a client's journey through IDR is getting their data into Civis platform. Our platform provides a variety of ingestion integrations, including van syncs, Salesforce uploads, along with ingesting data from self-hosted databases such as MySQL, Postgres, and Redshift, to name a few. Once the data is in Civis, clients have the option to run a variety of enhancements tools to further clean and enrich their data. For example, our person standardization tool can help clean out malformed emails and addresses along with other personally identifiable fields. Once you've configured the parameters of your IDR pipeline, we leverage Apache Spark to run your data through our algorithm at scale. With Spark, we're able to operate on hundreds of millions of records within a reasonable time. Now, I'm going to talk about the matching algorithm and how it's operating on your data step by step. First, the algorithm takes your raw data and matches it against itself, deduplicating it. Second, it takes that initial raw data and matches it against Civis data, providing you with proprietary information about your users. Once the matching has been completed, the algorithm overrides any matches with user-defined rules. The algorithm then groups the match results into clusters that we think represent a single individual. A cluster represents, say, 3 records that the algorithm thinks are the most similar to each other. Each cluster is then tagged with a unique identifier. At this point, the algorithm has taken all the data from disparate data sources and clustered it into groups of records it thinks are the same. The final optional step is taking each cluster and compressing them into a single golden record. This golden record contains only the best, most actionable contact information for immediate use in an activation or targeting. So taking a step back, what have you accomplished? You've taken a set of disparate data sources of personally identifiable information and stored them in Civis platform. You've enriched your data using our enhancements tools, and you used IDR to whittle those disparate data sets into a single, unified view of all of your people. All of this in a matter of hours. And not to mention, once you've done the initial configuration, you can run the process on a schedule, taking into account new data that may be coming into your system. If you want to learn further details about our matching algorithm, feel free to read our white paper on our website.
We also added in a load of other impactful features along the way. Technical and non-technical users are able to configure advanced options in their IDR pipelines, peek under the hood at the mechanics of our machine learning, and cut targeting-ready lists for use in other platforms. So if you have data about your constituents, customers, or citizens, reach out to sales@civisanalytics.com for a trial to see how we can rapidly unify your person-level data across sources. A dedicated solution architect will be in touch to guide you through quickly ingesting, unifying, and interpreting your data in a matter of hours.